shrimp, scallops, sugarcane, tropical elixir, a little brown sugar. Welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. Hey, on today's show, we're going to take those ingredients along with a handful of a few others, and we're going to create ourselves some skewered shrimp and scallops on sugarcane, and we're going to grill those and top them with a rum glaze. Why don't we go ahead and get that started right now? Skewered shrimp and scallops on sugarcane, hey, topped with a rum glaze. Man, we've got all of our ingredients right here. Let's go ahead and get rolling. We've got some brown sugar. Check this little thing out. Oh yeah, that right there is our tropical elixir, number of rums. Good. We've got some corn syrup, we've got butter, we've got a little bit of coconut vinegar, we've got some Dijon mustard, and right here we've got some salt, pepper, and a little bit of ground cinnamon. All that right there is going to be for our rum glaze, but we're going to start out right now by marinating our shrimp and scallops. We've got oil, we've got a nice lemon, we've got we've got our shrimp and our scallops. We've got some granulated garlic, some salt, and some cayenne pepper. So I think it's time for us to move on to making our marinade. So I'm going to move a few of these out of the way. All right, that is our garnish for later on. Move our skewers, and we'll talk about the skewers here in a second, just like so. Okay, get a little small bowl. I'm going to come in here with, I don't know, maybe a nice tablespoon of oil. I'm using olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. You can use what you want. Hey, coconut oil, you can make sure that's up to temperature. And when I say temperature, that means, melting point, which is about 80 degrees. So you can do that, or you can use sunflower, whatever you want to do there. Now we've come over here. We're going to grab ourselves a knife, and we're going to cut our lemon just like so. I think I'm going to move to another knife. That one's giving me a little bit of a hard time. Okay, now we're going to add the juice of one lemon. All right, there we go. Oh man, that's gonna be good. Heck yeah, man. Awesome. So off to the trash can we go with that. Move this, wipe my hands down. Now I'm gonna come in, we're gonna add a teaspoon of granulated garlic, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now come over here, we're gonna give this a nice little whisk, just like so. Well, that was quick and easy, wasn't it? Heck yeah, man. Now, we're going to come in with our shrimp. I am going to do 5 shrimp and 4 scallops. And these are these big old, I think they call them colossal or big jumbos, something like that. Just like that. I believe there are 13 to 16 count per pound. So, yeah, they're definitely a pretty nice size shrimp. Now, you come in here, and we're just going to toss our shrimp and scallops, get them good and coated. Just like so. Now, 5 minutes, we're going to let those rest in the marinade. I'm going to put them right here in the fridge. And next, let's see, do a little cleanup here, and we're going to start our rum glaze, or a tropical elixir glaze. So we've got 2 tablespoons dark brown sugar, compact, okay, tightly packed. Right here, again, we've got 2 tablespoons of our tropical elixir, about 1/2 tablespoon of butter. We've got 1/2 tablespoon of coconut vinegar. I don't even know if did I say that? No. Anyway, I don't know if I said that in the in the ingredients or not. Yep, you know what we need? We need about 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. Perfect. We got that is our dark corn syrup. Now we've got about 1 tablespoon, yum yum, tablespoon and a half of Dijon mustard. Just like that. Okay. Now we have our spices, which we've got ground cinnamon, salt, and pepper, and that's about 1/4 teaspoon each. That's it, man. How about that? Simple and easy. Oh yeah, real quick. These are our sugarcane skewers. They're actually called swizzle sticks, sugarcane swizzle sticks. You can get them online from like a bar supply company, Amazon. Go out there and go ahead and search the old sugarcane skewers. They'll pop right up, and there you go. And what I've done, you can see that I've actually kind of put a little point on the end of them because they're just squared off. If not, and you'll see why we need those points here in a second. So let's bring our outside. Let's see, make sure everything's set up. Yeah, it is. A little butane stove. Off we go. Now we're going to bring this up to a boil, and then we're going to reduce it by about half. All right, we've got this up to a boil. Now what we're going to do, we're going to let it cook probably until we are ready to put the shrimp on the grill, ready to skew them. That's going to be probably another 4 minutes or so. And then, man, this is talking about a quick video. This is a perfect little a starter recipe. If you got some friends over, or heck, if you're just hanging around the outside around the pool or something like that, you need something quick and simple. These are perfect. And wow, that was an unbelievable noise. Let's try not to do that one again. All right, I tell you what, man, this thing is nice and reduced. So I'm going to turn this off. Yeah, that is gonna be perfect glaze. Look at that, nice and thick. Oh yeah, that's gonna be awesome. Now, tell you what, I'm gonna try not to burn myself. I'm gonna move this over here back to its original spot. Come in here, and now, you know what? It's time to get the grill rolling. So, what I've done is I have cleaned my grates, and now I'm going to take some spray, some coconut. This is coconut oil spray. You can use whatever spray you want, and I'm just going to give my grates a nice coating. And then I'm using gas today. Usually I don't. We're going to fire that up. I'm going to close this, bring that thing up to temperature, and while that's happening, let's come back down here, and we're going to grab. Yeah, check that out, man. Yes, sirree. We're going to grab our shrimp and our scallops. Wow. And it's time to begin skewering. So, let's see here. What are we going to do? Now, I will show you why we put a point on the end of these things. Just a little easier to go into our shrimp. So we're going to do one of these. See, I tell you what, why don't we come in, and now we're going to do a couple of different things. We're going to do a little combination of a scallop and shrimp, just like so. Now let's see, what are we going to do now? I tell you what, why don't we come in and we just do a couple of scallops? How's that? One, okay, like so. And we'll grab this little guy, just like that. There we are. Now we got two scallops. Oh, what the heck. Okay, let's do ourselves another scallop and shrimp, like so. That's the neat thing about it. You can use what, heck, man, for the most part, you can use whatever seafood you would like. I mean, how about some lobster cut up and put on a skewer with some shrimp and some of these scallops. Man, that would be awesome. So, just like that. And we got two. Yeah, we do have two more. Make sure I counted right. So in there, just like so. Heck yeah, man, these are going to be awesome. And last but not least, we have our last little shrimp. And voila, check that out, man. Heck yeah. So I'm going to put these back in here, just like so. Get my hands cleaned off, and we are ready to grill. We're on about 425 degrees. All right, time to put them on the grill, just like so. And I'm going to come in and just put them on a diagonal, just like that. And these are not going to take any time at all, just like so. Oh yeah, heck yeah, man. These are going to take probably 2 minutes aside, and boom, man, we're going to be ready to eat. All right, it is time for us to make a flip. Look at it, you can see how they're starting to get a little bit of pink on there. Oh man, here we go. Oh, wow, check that out. Yes, sirree. And there are scallops. Here's a shrimp and scallop. Oh man, that is looking awesome. Oh, we got a broke up sugar cane. That's okay. Oh yeah, just like. And it is time to add our base. Yes, sirree, our rum glaze to this. Heck yeah, check that thing out. Look at that. Oh, wow. Check it out. Awesome. All right, it is time to grab our skewers off the grill. Oh my, check that out. Wow. Unbelievable. Cannot wait to get into some of these things. Man, that's gonna be good. Check those out. Those are gorgeous. Oh man, got a little char. Got a little char on the end of that sugar cane. I can only imagine. It's gonna be nice caramelized goodness coming out of that thing. So, I got a little plate right here set up for us. Put a little bit of drizzle of our rum glaze right there. So I tell you what, we're gonna come in here just like that. We're gonna add ourselves a shrimp and scallop skewer. We've got a regular shrimp skewer. And on top of that, what the heck, why don't we come in here just like so. And there you go. How about that, man? Check that out. Oh, there it is. How about that, man? How easy, how simple was that? Maybe 10 minutes to put it together, 5, 8 minutes to cook it. Unbelievable right there. The flavors are out of this world. And speaking of flavors, talked about that tropical elixir that we use in our rum glaze. Right down there, we got a video on how to create your own tropical elixir. Hey, and along with that, how to make a gourmet smash and a unbelievable pina colada. Hey, right over here, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And I tell you what, until next time, God bless, and we'll see you soon.